and welcome to How We Spent the Apocalypse Junk Edition. Okay, so I had Lynn come over specifically right now because over the last 4 days, I have amassed this umbrella, that shelf thing. This umbrella and this shelf thing, Lucas and I, put Lucas on camera, he needs to be a star.
Wave at the camera, Lucas.
Wave at the camera, Lucas. Okay, Lucas and I picked up the shelf set and the umbrella on the way home in the Honda Fit.
Yeah.
In fact, just like Lucas was holding the umbrella out the window, Lancelot style as we're going down the road. Fortunately, nobody saw us. But, okay, and this is the packing crate
and pallets
that Jack and Shauna needed to get rid of that is full of all kinds of goodness. I mean, look at this. And it's big old pieces of plywood. These are 2x8s.
Yes, they are.
And these are 4x4 pieces.
Wow.
Obviously, those were. But on top of that, like the umbrella had a big free sign on it. The shelving system had obviously fallen out the back of a truck. Now, is it fantastic? No, but this is metal.
Yes.
So if somebody wanted, they could put shelves in this that were wood and make actually a really nice
shelving
system.
unit, yeah.
Do you need shelves, Lucas? Hi?
No.
No? Lucas is like, no, I don't need any damn shelves. Okay. But anyway, and it still has the freaking particle board top on it.
Yes, it does.
But God only knows what I'll do with it. All right. But all of these logs,
There.
all of these logs there and all of those logs there were also in a huge pile by the side of the road that said free.
Wow.
There's close to a rick of wood in those logs. All I got to do is cut them up. So I put them in my truck and I brought them home. So we can all pretend that the world's terrible and horrible and we're never going to make it and we're all going to die with nothing. Or we can just suck it up and use the crap that people throw away.
Right.
That's everywhere.
Yep.
It's really just there for the taking. It's just looking around. Okay, so this umbrella, let's look at it for a minute. Okay, so it's metal and canvas. The canvas has no tears in it. It's sun bleached, whoop-de shit. The only thing that's wrong with it opens just fine. The only thing that's wrong with it is one of the little metal things has popped out.
Yeah, and it was just a piece that popped out. The
So
keeper's
it's just
there,
a piece that popped out.
and the pocket's
So
there.
we're going to make another one because that piece doesn't move.
No, it doesn't move at all.
So if we put something in there that also doesn't move, we should be able to fix that fairly easily. In
Yep.
fact, that's one of the things that Lucas and I will do today that may or may not get on camera, depending.
Yeah, exactly.
But that's one of the things we'll do because if Meyer and Sarah wanted, their umbrella was just completely destroyed by a down blast that broke a bunch of trees at their house as well.
Great.
So what we're going to be doing today, cutting up wood, cleaning up pallets, putting shit away, storing it someplace for when we need it.
Right.
Because, yeah, a lot of shit I don't need right now. Firewood I definitely need.
Yes.
We're getting ready to go into winter.
Yes.
I still need at least 3 ricks of wood.
Right.
And this is going to be another one. This is most of one. Well, and I have most of one in there just from pieces, parts from limbs and shit that I've been
Off the property
sawing
here.
up, you know,
Yeah.
sawing up from, well, here in Temple.
Here in Temple. Yeah.
Yeah, some Temple. Okay, so while we're at it, speaking of Temple, I'm getting tired of we're the ones that are supposed to run and hide, people. Talk to your people. Tell them to back the fuck off. Bye.
Okay. So,
Okay. So, when we started, we were about here.
yeah. And now it's full to the
Now
top.
it's full to the top, but it's also full behind.
Yeah, because it wasn't full behind.
No. So we actually filled up behind because what I do is because I have such weird
Shapes.
links and stuff, I try to make them know you can see we fill in.
Yeah, the filler.
And we still have at least one more trailer load, if not 2. So we're getting close to having enough for the year. And that's always good. Because it is October.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
the end of October.
It's the end of October. I did manage to gaff myself
Lovely.
Well, I blame
Lovely.
Lucas. I blame Lucas.
Really, it's Lucas' fault?
It was Lucas, yeah. Lucas threw a log at me.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's not what happened.
No.
The chainsaw. It's a big
me see.
chainsaw. I was telling Lucas, chainsaws are dangerous, not just because you can hit yourself with the chain, but because they have a lot of power.
Yeah.
And if when you shoot a hod, all of a sudden it freaking throws a piece of wood and chunks you right in your leg or something. And of course I'm doing it in shorts, with most of you are going, what kind of asshole runs a chainsaw in shorts?
Yeah.
I'm the kind of asshole that runs a chainsaw in shorts. Thank you very much. But anyway, we gotta go get another one, so
Okay.
yeah.
I'll be back. Did it fit?
Yeah, it will fit. Okay.
But I mean, it fit in the little pocket thing?
Yeah, fits in the pocket.
Woohoo!
Okay, so this is obvious a piece of crap that I had in the
Oh, yes, of
thing.
course.
Okay, so we got this umbrella this morning.
Yes.
Somebody had a free sign on it. Okay, it's perfect, except this is a little sun bleach, and this arm right here is broken.
Right.
I think I can fix this, because all that has to pivot is this.
Right, and that's still there.
I think I can fix this by popping this plastic piece of shit off of here, slipping this over the armature there, drilling a hole through the whole thing, and then just putting in a nail that I bend over.
Okay.
Okay? Any rate, but what I wanted to show them is it just pops right out of the ends.
Right, I see that.
Okay, it just came right out of the sleeve. But to make it even easier, there's a freaking cap on the top.
Oh, let me come over there.
Unscrew it.
Let me come over there and show them.
Okay. Add a little plastic top.
Uh-huh.
You unscrew it, and the whole fucking thing comes off.
Oh, my goodness.
So that you can, I guess you could wash it, or you could change it out, or whatever.
Wow.
So now, all we have to do
Is fix the
is
armature.
create a new armature. So the first thing I've got to do is get my angle grinder out here and get rid of this pin, because this pin is fucked.
Right.
And what I'm going to do is I will cut this
Exactly
to the length
right
from
length.
that to that,
I
so that
see,
it comes
I see.
in here, and I will just slip this over that and drill a hole in it.
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay. So first thing we need, you know where the angle grinder is, Lucas? The angle grinder is hanging in that bag right there. Just bring me the whole bag. Right here. Lucas, look where I'm pointing. Right there. Right there, Lucas. Okay, just bring me the whole bag.
You want me to keep filming?
Yeah, I get for a minute, yeah. Look, nobody who's not a douche wants to see human beings called collateral damage.
Right.
That said, Hamas has to be dealt with. That said, we should not be getting threats here.
No.
But we are.
We are. Yes, we are.
So that happens. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to cut this yet, but I am going to get the sanding disc. Here, bring me that bag, baby. Put it in the back of the trailer for now. We're working off the trailer. Why not? Because we have it out today. Okay, so I need a sanding wheel. So I need to change heads. This one, you have to use the disc on. But if you'll notice, that one there screws onto the head, which is kind of cool.
Oh, cool.
It's kind of cool, but then you have this time when you have to worry about this piece that's ultra important.
Right, that you've got
So
off.
don't just put it down. I always just stick it back in the bag.
Right back down in the bag.
Okay, and then this one just goes on.
Oh, how cool is
Okay,
that?
so what I've got is, I've got metal spurs on this that need to come off. Okay, and so why would I sit there with a file when I can just do that? Look at that. See?
Nice, perfect.
Now the spurs go on nice and smooth. I can actually get smooth. Well, because I don't want it to catch on the fabric.
Right.
All right. So that part's done. Now, we have to get the cutter back on there. And like I said, these are really neat, but they're also industrial. Industrial. Our famous internationally published author, industrial.
It's all right. You shortened the word, one syllable.
Industrial. That's not how that's pronounced. By the way, Lucas, just so you know. So you don't say, I heard it was pronounced industrial.
And so you have that hex key down in there because that's the one you need all the time.
Yeah, well, that's the one that
Came with the
it.
tool. There
Yeah,
you go.
That's the tool. Okay, Lucas, come and hold the end of that post. Come and hold the end right so it doesn't jack around and move. Also, I don't want to bend these, which is kind of annoying because I don't know what to do with that about that. Okay.
Would you like me to
So
hold
actually,
it?
it could be higher, huh?
Would you like me to hold it?
No, there's really no holding it.
Okay.
Lucas has got it as good as we can get it.
Okay.
Okay, so and would this have happened if this wasn't a plastic piece of shit? No. It would still be together if this wasn't a plastic piece of shit.
There you go.
Okay. So how I wind up with 2 instead of 1? Oh, because this goes into that.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's going to suck. How am I going to do that?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
That went into the plastic piece of shit.
Oh, no. Okay, yeah, I know what goes on now. Okay, so this needs to hinge. That needs to come off. It didn't just pop off. Of course not.
Okay, I'll come back.
Okay, so this piece was, this is not 2 pieces. This is 1 piece of metal. The plastic thing is just there to guide it.
Make the, I don't know, the hinge easier? I don't know.
I don't know, you know, probably kind of like super, I don't know. But at any rate, so what I've got to do is, this is broken, so I have to make a thing. And of course, I hoped that this would slide right over the top, but it won't. So what I'm going to have to do is flatten this for a certain amount.
Oh, so it'll slide in.
So that it'll slide in. And then
It'll slide in.
And then drill holes.
Gotcha. Okay. Come back.
Okay.
Now you're on. Okay.
I took that in the shop. Just hit it with a hammer a few times.
On her
On the side,
Yeah.
on my anvil. You don't have to have an anvil, you could use a rock. And now it slides right on there.
Yay.
So now the thing to do is to figure out how long I need it. And how long I need it is, it needs to be a sleeve down below that and then come to there. So that's how long I need it, right there.
That long.
What do I always tell you people? Measuring's for sucks. Ain't that right, Lucas?
He is speaking not.
Hey, Lucas is like, I don't know. Hold that for me. Hold that right there. Not right there, Lucas.
There you go.
And that we know goes right into the end because we already tested it.
Oh, okay. So you already tested that it will go
Oh, yeah,
into the
we already
sleeve.
tested it on the
Look
cloth.
at you. Yay.
Hey, we're cooking with gas, right?
Yeah.
Cooking with gas.
Planning in advance here.
We ain't far from that.
Okay, I'm coming back.